Hey everyone, I'm Malika Naushad, your technical content creator. Thanks for tuning in. So in today's video, I'm going to be walking you through the named license analysis or NNU. Now, as someone who's been working closely with the software licensing, I can tell you how crucial it is for optimizing your license activity as well as for reducing your cost. So without any more further ado, let's get into the video.
So let us first understand what is NNU or Named License Analysis. So this report is essentially your command center for FlexLM named license management. What you are seeing here is a comprehensive dashboard that gives you real-time insights into how your name licenses are being allocated and utilized across your organization. Now, the interface is divided into two main sections, that is, a powerful filtering panel on the left hand side and detailed visualization options through both table and chart views on the right. So you can see both table as well as chart views. Right now I am unable to show you any live demo, but I will make sure that I'm showing you one demo report on the screen while I'm editing or while I'm actually making this video live. So let us jump into the key features and benefits. So now let me show you what makes this tool so valuable. First, notice how we can filter by multiple parameters, that is vendor name, server name, and even specific features. What's particularly powerful is the asset info section right here. Now, which allows us to drill down to license models and usage pattern. Now, the data or the date range selector, which you can set anywhere from 90 to 365 days, gives you the flexibility to analyze both short-term usage patterns as well as long-term trends. Now, coming to the real world application, in my experience, the most valuable aspects of this tool is its ability to identify underutilized licenses. Now look at this chart showing our top 10 underutilized features. I'm going to be attaching the picture right here. I'm going to attach the picture right here on the screen for you to see the real-time data or the live data. Now this kind of data is gold for IT managers when you can clearly see which licenses are fully allocated versus those that have capacity. You can make informed decisions about reallocating resources or adjusting your license purchases. Now, I've personally seen organizations save significant amounts by optimizing their licenses distribution based on these insights. Now, here's a pro tip. Don't just look at the raw numbers, use the include current activity filter to get a real-time view of your license usage. This is particularly helpful when you're planning license renewals or considering moving users between floating as well as named user licenses. The export functionality also makes it easy to share these insights with stakeholders. Now let us come to the end of this video, that is the NNU report or the named license activity report is more than just a monitoring tool. It's a strategic asset that can help you optimize your software licensing cost while ensuring your teams have the resources they need. So thanks for watching and hope you would subscribe to our channel, and please do share our videos for more software management tips. Thank you.